Hi parents of Gleason Head Start. I just want, this is the small group portion, the math portion. This week we're gonna be, our theme this month is animals. But this week we're gonna be learning about farm animals. So, but before we start our small group, I'm just gonna do the quick introduction, and then after this one, I won't introduce or tell you what I have or what you can organize. So what I normally do when you homeschool a child, you want to get yourself a little bit organized. How are you gonna do that? Just have a Ziploc bag, and when you do take your child for a walk, you can collect items. Um, like in this case, I have some rocks. So you can collect the rocks and you put it in the Ziploc bag like this. So you can use the rocks to count, to practice the math part. And here's a rock. And then I also have some old eggs that we can practice. Gonna practice counting with that too. And then I'm gonna put that in a Ziploc bag right here. Just get myself organized because you can use it over and over again. And I also have just items around your house. Let's say if you can have paper clips, get that. The cookie trays, cooking sheet. I have a different one too. Hold on. See, I have this one too. This is great for math, for learning math. Cooking sheet. And I'm also having this. You could organize yourself by having something like this. You don't have to make anything like this, but I just happen to make it. So I put the glue stick and some utensil and tongs, and then all my old crayons and pencil markers, and I just happen to have a ruler along. And if you have glue bottle, that's fine. If you don't worry about it. And I do have pencil sharpener. Now, I don't expect for you to probably making this, but I just happen to do it. But you can organize yourself by going around to your house, look for maybe a mug, and you kind of grab whatever you can around your house, or a used juice container. You can have any of that right here, and then you can put all your learning, all your small group ready, so when it's time to learn. So I just wanna throw it out there today. So get yourself organized. It's easier when you said, okay, it's time to practice your math or your literacy. And then you just put this on the table. And then if you need crayons or you need rocks to count, all the eggs, and they're right there. All right, so that's that. Then I have today, because we're learning about, farm animals. I'm gonna leave this over here for now. Okay. Since we're learning about farm animals, we want the children to use a concrete, meaning an item that they can actually use and count. And then we want to see if they can come up with a strategy. So we're gonna be counting animals, farm animals. I don't have the actual farm animals, but you can use a book, or it doesn't have to be animals, just count items around your house, all the rocks that you collect. Let's see, I'm gonna go to this page right here. Okay, here we go. This is a good one. So we want to do 1 to 5. So here it is. You see in this book, we would go, okay, let's look at the page. How many animals in this page? Farm animals. And then your child may give you several answers. 5, 10, 1, 0, or some of them can actually say 5. I don't know, but so what you do is you want to teach them, you go, okay, so let's see, how many cows do we have in this book? Let's see, oh, how many? 1. So that's 1 cow. How many horses? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 horses, right? How about pig? How many pigs? 1. And then we want to know, well, how many animals all together does old MacDonald have? You can tell them the strategy, how we can figure that out. We can count it, so you can use your fingers and count on the animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many all the farm animals all together? There are 5. They probably learn faster if they get to feel it too. So that's where the rocks come in. So I'm gonna take the rocks and we go, here, I'm gonna put on my, maybe I should put the phone down a little bit more. How about that? Yeah? Okay, a little bit closer. Okay, how about that? Okay, so I have the rock. I'm putting on my cookie sheet, right? And then we put on this side. Here we go. And you go, cow. How many cows do you see? How many? 1. 1 cow. Okay. 1 cow. And then how many pig? Well, I can just put it. How about it? Like this. Cow, 1 cow. How many pig? 1 pig. There we go. How many horses? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 horses. Here we go. And I'm going to put all this up. All this rocks. Because we don't need it. Here. So, how many farms animal all together? Let's count. So you have your child to do this. Have your child to literally pick up the rocks and take it off and put it on the cooking sheet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many farms animal does the old MacDonald have? He has 5. How do we know? Because we can verify it by counting. That's one of the strategy that we used. That's one of the strategy that we used. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what you want. You want to teach them to do that. And then we go to the next page. If you have any books at all, it doesn't have to be farm books. Any books at all that have pictures, different pictures, I'm going to go to a different page. Let's see. You want to teach them 1 to 5, but okay. How about this one? I don't know if you can see it. See this? All right. So I'm gonna put my rocks here. I like rocks because it's nice and heavy. Okay, ready? So we have How many pig? They should say one, or you can tell them one. Then take one rock, tell them, take one rock. And how many horses? Oh, let's see. One, make sure when they do it, you have to say it. 1, 2. Okay, let's see. How many animals do we have all together? Let's put the animals together. Let's put all the rocks together. So you take the extra rocks out now. And you go, okay, this is one for the pig. This is one for the horse. And this is for another horse. So how many animals do we have on this page? Let's count the rocks. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 animals, farm animals, on this page. So that's how we want to teach them how to use a visual and hands-on. And we want them to see if they can combine together. And we want to use the concrete items, things that they can touch and feel. All right, so that's today, small group. And then tomorrow I'm gonna start out with a song first. And then today they're just gonna practice of counting 1 to 5. You can do 1 to 10. And then you can tell them that how we're gonna figure out the strategy, how do we know that we have that many items, how many animals on that page. So thank you. You have any question, let me know. And then you can send some question to Ms. Lopez or the comment on the bottoms. So you can make comments and then I'll try to answer that. Okay, thank you.